So again, we are in Branford Park. Absolutely beautiful park. Great place to come. And where are we located? We are located on 27 in Florida. Ivey Memorial Park in Branford, Florida. Way down upon the Suwanee River. And like I said, my friends, right now the water is really high. They are asking for a $5 donation for use of the boat ramp. But look at that, jumping sturgeon. I had a park ranger tell me once when they were out on a boat, they had a sturgeon almost jump in her face. So again, sturgeon are fish. Some people call them gar. They do jump from time to time, and they do get large. So it's quite fascinating to be out on the water or sitting and watching the water and seeing a 2, 3, 4 foot sturgeon jump out of the water. So again, very exciting. Make it down to Central Florida. Enjoy the parks. And we are here.
At the stop sign, turn right onto...
Well, my friends, we are in beautiful Branford Park, and it looks like we've got trails behind us, a very nice large parking lot. Again, we're here in winter, so you're not going to have too many people here on a work day during the winter when school is in. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what Branford Park brings us to the water, because we are on, what are we on? The Suwanee River. The Suwanee River. So let's take a walk across. No dogs are allowed in the picnic areas, and it does look like they have a beautiful picnic area here. And I'm not seeing grills over here. There's grills out there, little memorial. And look over here, a very nice large grill. And a nice little pier. Look at this. These are huge grills. Oh my goodness, y'all. Branford Park is the place to come and park and enjoy some beautiful water. And look at this. Do not walk out here with barefoot in the summer, because the metal dock does get very hot. And also remember, stay away from alligators. Alligators are dangerous. Watch for other thing. And this dock is really only for watercraft. So if you see some watercraft out here, stay off the dock. It's in use. But let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful Suwanee River and this beautiful park. It says Ivey Memorial Park, Little River Springs is 5 miles away. We've got Troy Springs 7 miles away, Royal Springs 14 miles away, Suwanee Springs 74 miles away. So again, this is absolutely incredible area to come, Central Florida, off of 27 in Florida. So between probably US 19 and your best route 275. And you can come out here. You've got to register every time you dive. But look at this. Fish, swim, boat. This is the life on the river, my friends. You may see the occasional manatee coming up here, especially this time of year during winter. And look at that. Okay, and this is, again, let me see if I can get closer on that sign, seeing if I can read it from here. I might have said it wrong. I said Buford. This is Branford. Town of Branford, Ivey Memorial Park. Absolutely beautiful. They've got the restrooms up there, additional picnic areas that we didn't walk to, the beautiful moss in the trees like you see in wild Florida. And this is natural Florida, my friends. I'm loving this. And this is a beautiful pier for coming up here with your boat, enjoying some picnicking up on shore. Right close to 27. That road right there is 27. And yes, my friends, there could be alligators here. It is freshwater Florida. And I'd love to see some turtles poke their heads up.